Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Friday, March 28, 2008. Malaysia's top lender, Maybank, plans to acquire Indonesia's sixth largest bank, Bank International Indonesia, for a total of $2.7 billion as part of its regional expansion, according to Trade Finance. The deal will help Maybank gain a strong foothold in Indonesia's high-growth banking industry and capture the major portions of the trade finance and remittance product markets. Maybank said it has agreed to buy Sorak Financial Holdings, which owns 56% of Bank International, for $1.5 billion. Maybank will then make a tender offer for the remaining 44% stake in Bank International for $1.2 billion. Staying with capital markets news, Motorola Incorporated may find its handset unit is only worth as little as 10% of what was valued at just 2 years ago, reports Bloomberg News. The unit's loss in value has been attributed to, among other things, increased competition from Garmin and Hewlett-Packard, which are entering the market. Motorola plans to separate the wireless unit from its networking equipment, cable TV set, top box, and two-way radio businesses, succumbing to pressure from investor Carl Icahn, who began calling for the division's disposal last year. And in other capital markets news, Osprey Management is acquiring ConAgra Foods commodity trading and merchandising operations for $2.1 billion, reports Bloomberg News. The ConAgra Trade Group, to be renamed Gavilon, when the sale to Osprey's Special Opportunities Fund is completed, operates grain elevators, rail cars, and barges moving commodities such as wheat and soybean oil, mostly in North America. Osprey Management is a $9 billion hedge fund firm founded by Dwight Anderson. Crop prices have surged to records this year, increasing investor interest in the infrastructure needed to meet global food demands. And in capital markets news overseas, Suez SA would be interested in nuclear cooperation with British Energy Group rather than buying a stake as a purely financial investor, reports Bloomberg News. Chief Executive Officer Gerard Mestralet told reporters at a nuclear conference in Paris, quote, "If it's just a question of buying a stake in British Energy as a financial investor, we aren't interested." Suez would be interested in a role with British Energy as an operator selling power, he added. Suez, which is merging with Gaz de France, has said it's looking to build nuclear plants in Western Europe and will decide next year on a site for a new European pressurized reactor. The Paris-based company is also vying to build plants in Bulgaria and Romania. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Capital Markets channel online and read the latest developments.